Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok app. So having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to click on here. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. It's going to take you right here. So profile view history. See who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and allow others to see that you viewed theirs. You will be notified of profile views if the notification is turned on. Only you can see who viewed your profile. You can turn this off anytime. So what you can do here is to simply click on here to turn it off. So by turning it off, it simply means that you can view other people's profile and they will not know that you visit their profile on TikTok. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.